Hey, I'm Robert Ferenczi and I would like to show you a new texture painting ability by the Styriam Clipboard Paster add-on for Blender. You can grab your copy by using the link in the video description below. With this little handy add-on, now you can copy and paste images like decals or details from any browser or 2D image editing applications and paste them right into Blender as stencils or simple image planes by only one click. It supports Affinity Photo also, and as far as I know it will handle alpha channels as well in the upcoming releases. After installing, you can find it on the End panel. And one of the best things is, now you can make screen grabs and paste them as stencils with one click. With only one click. How easy is that? It is really handy when you're repairing photo scans, for example. You can remove or fix things with ease. If you like it, please support me and the developers by purchasing it using the link in the video description below. Please like, share and subscribe for more. And see you in my next video.